Hi guys, Peter here from Straight Cut Motorcycles. Hope you're well. I'm out on the bike today. It's a few days before Christmas and I decided I needed to get out on the bike just to clear the head. The weather's been absolutely shocking lately, nothing but rain, but we've managed to have a clear morning today even though the roads are wet, so I decided to come out on the bike. While I'm out on the bike, I found myself a nice little car park here. It's in one of the marinas in Windsor. So it's completely empty, so I thought I'll give you a quick tour around the bike, show you what I've done since the last update video, show you what I've added to the bike, and yeah, and that's it. So let's shoot over to the bike and I'll show you what I've done. And there she is, the Thruxton R. Sorry if the footage is a bit shaky. As you can see, my other camera just there is set up on the bike, so I'm having to use my little handheld point and shoot Canon. So what have I done on the bike since the last update? I have stuck a belly pan on it, which is just down here. Sorry, it looks really groggy and horrible, but that's expected for this time of year. The bike's an absolute shit mess, but we'll get that we'll get it all cleaned. So yeah, that's the belly pan that I fitted. Main reason for that is just to stop the crud from getting over the X pipe. It's not doing a great job, but it's better than what it was. The next thing I have fitted, which is the dart screen, made from dart. I'll put a link in the description below if you're interested in one of these. Comes with all the brackets and everything, all the fitting kit, really easy to fit, and it makes a massive difference. I don't get the wind blast as much as I used to on my chest anymore, so yeah, really recommend one of them if you're suffering with that. As you can probably see here, the indicators have changed. Now they're in the same style as they were before, but what I've done is put clear lenses on, and they've got the LED lights in them, and I've done them all round on the bike. I think it transforms the bike, makes it look a lot better. I know one of my things I didn't like about it was the indicators. I've grown to like the actual style of it. I think it suits the bike, but I think the clear lenses and the LEDs look a lot better now. And if I switch the bike on, and there you go, and they're really bright in the night as well, and they're bright in the day, so they really do the job, so I'm very happy with them. Let's just turn that off. Okay, the next thing I have recently added is my quad lock. What I was finding is I'm having to put my phone into the bag at the back, and it was becoming a right pain in the arse. Now I've put the quad lock on. I had to drill the hole out of the yoke nut, but it's not a problem, it all fits, it's all nice and tight, and I'm really happy with it. And the phone just simply slots straight on. Yeah, so I can have it in that angle or that angle, depending on what I'm doing at the time. But it's great to have it there for the sat nav and everything, and I can still see the clocks really well. As you've seen from a couple of my last videos, maybe the Christmas one and that, I have decided to purchase myself a Insta360 One R with an invincible selfie stick. I've got it mounted here today. I'm trying a different angle, hopefully it comes out and it works really well. Trying different angles on the bike to see what I can achieve. Normally I have it mounted here, which is just a metal rod that I got with the motorbike kit from Insta, and it just locks down there on a GoPro clamp. So I put the camera, and normally it just sits up here, and that's the footage you guys have been seeing lately. But I'm trying something different today just to see what it's like. So that's it, guys. That's the small bits I've done on the bike over the last couple of months. Haven't been a lot going on, obviously, with lockdowns and everything, but it is what it is. We just have to deal with it. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for leaving comments and likes and everything. Really do appreciate it. And if you are new to the channel, then please check the videos out. If you like what you see, then please hit the subscribe button, hit the like and share. Anyway, guys, until next time, ride safe. Cheerio.